Now we will do some vocabulary. And which letter today we are about to do? F. Okay. Letter F. The first word with letter F is not good. That is famine. Actually, famine. So, letter F. So, famine means basically shortage of food or supply of food. So, that's called famine.
We also call drought.
Actually, drought is actually lack of water or rain. That is from dryness. So, that is shortage of food actually. Of food. So, you can make any sentence with that. So, we'll make sentence with this word, famine. Yeah, just raise your hands.
War-torn countries often face famine.
Okay, right. So, war, torn, countries,
Often face famine.
often and often both are right. Pronunciation, right? Often face famines. Yeah. Exactly. So next word is flaw. Flaw is a noun and it means imperfection.
Default, short.
Yeah, any fault, flaw, or imperfection. Imperfection. So everyone has got flaws, right? So no one is perfect, no one is flawless. Very nice sentence. This is reality. No one is flawless. Yep. So he has many flaws in his acting. Famine is noun, basically. Yep. It is noun because to this state of shortage of food, we give the name of famine when some country or some area experiences shortage of food supply. So that is noun actually. Right. So everyone has flaws. Yes. Third word, fantasy. Fantasy is a noun. It means fiction, imagination, imaginative, imagination, imagination based stories are also known as fantasies. So everything that belongs to imagination or visualization.
A word related to this, fancy.
Fancy, yeah. Fancy actually means think or reflection, thinking of something or to ponder on something. I fancy to eliminate poverty from our country. Fancy means to think.
That
Yeah.
impossible to do.
Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Right. So definitely, we don't know. One day we will make a lot of progress, and there would be lots of bonanza in our country. Bonanza means prosperity. Actually, that is brand name as well. But the actual meaning of bonanza is well-being or prosperity. So inshallah, time will come. So we are keeping our fingers crossed. Okay. So fantasy. He lives in the world of fantasy. Means he mostly lives in the world of imagination. So he lives in the world of fantasy. Next word is felicity. Felicity is a noun. It is basically state of well-being or happiness. Felicity. State of, condition of, state of well-being or happiness. So we hope that for our country. Make sentence of that. Felicity. Anyone?
Our country is advancing towards felicity.
Wow, very, very nice. Our country is moving towards.
Moving or advancing.
Okay. Is advancing or moving towards felicity. Very good.
I think that felicitations is also derived from felicity.
Exactly, definitely. You're right. So, slow and steady wins the race, actually. So, we are heading towards that, and inshallah, we'll get it. Because we hope from you, actually, our younger generation, that you would do some miraculous things, inshallah, in your own fields. And we hope a lot from you, and inshallah, you won't disappoint us, inshallah. Inshallah. So, we are looking forward to that. So, next word with F. That is fractious. And as I have told you about grumpy, surly, sullen as well. So, fractious is that. Fractious means easily annoyed or easily irritated. Some people don't have temperament to bear, so they get fractious very easily. Easily annoyed or irritated. It means sullen. It's a new word. It means grumpy. S-U-L-L-E-N. It is synonym for the word fractious. So its sentence would be like that. I don't like fractious people. Alright, no one likes actually. You can yourself be fractious, but you don't like other person to be fractious. Right. So the other word with letter F is fidelity. Fidelity is a noun and it means faithfulness, loyalty. Yes, loyalty or faithfulness. Right. So what can be the sentence for that? Fidelity. Right.
Man of fidelity.
Okay, good. Any other sentence with fidelity?
Discussing about Aslam fidelity.
Aslam's fidelity. Yep. Good. Right. So, Pakistanis showed immense fidelity. Which war? In 1965 war. In war of 1965. All right. So fidelity is faithfulness, loyalty. So 6 words. Now 3 more to go.
I think fidelity, Wi-Fi is also wireless fidelity abbreviation.
Exactly. You're right. All right. So write it down. Letter F. What about your previous words? That they are in your head? Yes. Or over your head? In your head. Okay.
We are attending.
Ah, good. Wonderful. That's really nice. God knows, maybe your test will be today. Right. As you are retaining all words. So it's very important to look on all those words every day. Then they will be stored. Otherwise, they will be on paper, not in your memory. So this is very important. So keep revising them all time and try to use them in your speaking as well. Otherwise, they will go somewhere else, not here. They will fly over. Okay. Right. So other word with letter F is fragile. Fragile. It is adjective. It means easily broken. Yeah, weak or easily broken. Sorry. weak. Right. So its sentence will be like that. Glass is a fragile material. Glass is a fragile material. So eighth word is,
Can I suggest?
yeah,
Fumble.
fumble. Yeah, fumble is very good word. Can you make sentence of that?
He was fumbling while taking the examination.
All right, hesitant. He was hesitant,
Struggling.
struggling, or fumbling, unable to speak properly or unable to do something properly. That is fumble. Yes. Any other word with letter F? What? Exactly. That is very good word. Flabbergasted is a good word. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted means astonished or surprised. Stunned, yeah. Adjective, amazed or stunned. So can you make any sentences with flabbergasted? He was flabbergasted to look on question paper, on looking at. That happens when you are not well prepared. Right, so it can be with a small q. Okay, so next word is futile. F-U-T-I-L-E. Futile means useless, waste, actually bekar. It's adjective and it means useless or waste. Zaya ho jana, Zaya, right. So all his efforts to become an established businessman went futile because of COVID. Yeah.
I had a futile vision because shops were closed.
Oh my God, very nice. Now Saturday is open, thanks goodness. Right. Okay, so all his efforts to become a successful businessman were futile भी आ सकता है and went futile भी आ सकता है. Both are right.
Or turned futile.
Sorry, what?
Can we use turned futile?
Turned भी आ सकता है, definitely. So futile is very good word. So last but not least, next word is very positive kind of thing, that is frugal. So everyone should be frugal. Yeah. Tight-fisted. Yeah. Tight-fisted. That is extreme frugality. Okay. Who thinks a lot before spending? That person is frugal. Okay, so we will make sentence for our mothers. Very nice. Who suggested that? That my mother is very frugal. You were. Yeah, this is really nice. It will cover all mothers. All mothers are alike. Right. So, frugal is adjective. A person who thinks much before spending. So, all Pakistani mothers, dedicated to all mothers of Pakistan. All Pakistani mothers are very frugal and always gives tough time. They always give tough time to shopkeepers, right? So, but they do, you can say, well-maintained kind of bargain, and they just are very well in that. So, frugal is very good word. And sometimes I have already told you, feasible is also nice word. So that is possible. So we can give a try to this project as it is feasible. It's possible. Feasible means possible. So
Another word, ma'am, fan, F-A-N-E, fan.
F-E-I-G-N. F-E-I-G-N. Feign क्या होता है? वो बहाना, बनाना. She always feigns to be ill. Bahana banana. So it's a verb as well. Yes? Please.
किसी वर्ड के साथ क्या preposition use होती है ये किस तरह से पता चलता है?
Prepositions use होती हैं. There are set patterns actually with some words that's known as phrasal verbs. So there is some unique kind of preposition which is added, and we have to learn that. We have to cram actually.
Yes, practice.
By practice and by revising that. So otherwise preposition, you know, that tell you about the connection of noun with other verbs, other adjectives, with other nouns or pronouns. Like this duster is on the dice, so connection of noun with other noun. So we can learn the meaning of them, and the other thing is phrasal verbs, so we have to remember them. There is no way out. Right. So F, vocabulary is now where, here or there somewhere. But that should be here. Okay. So now we have completed this, and now we are moving towards some Urdu sentences into in English. With F. Yeah.
Fabricate.
Fabricate is very good word. Yes. Do you know what is fabricate?
Artificially create story.
Exactly. When you concoct
Yes.
artificial story from your own side. So we are very good at that. We always fabricate many stories to save ourselves from different kind of punishments and scolding from our parents or seniors, from teachers as well. So fabricate, to invent a false story. That is basically the meaning of that. So we shouldn't fabricate these kind of stories, be honest. Right. So now I think so we will give it end to the letter F. And now we are moving towards the other thing that's known as Urdu sentences into English, right? So let's begin now. And the first word which is coming on your way is, it's basically हर चीज़ पर पैसा लगता है, वो the tragedy. Everything costs money. So this is going to be our first sentence. Everything costs money. हर चीज़ पर पैसा लगता है. First, we will write the Urdu sentences. Urdu sentences into English. So first is हर चीज़ पर पैसा लगता है. हर चीज़ पर पैसा लगता है. Everything costs money. Yes. So everything costs money. Right. Those days have gone when Mano Salwa was there from God Almighty, but we are such ungrateful people. People at that time, they were so fastidious and fussy about their variety of food and all that. They wanted more. So now we have to do everything and making hard work in our fields. But it's good to some extent, right? So everything costs money now. So second sentence is something that condition prevails that you are unable to understand something, that what to do, what to say. बिल्कुल कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा होता ना कभी. So कुछ समझ में ना आना, आप बल्कि कहते हैं कुछ समझ नहीं आता, क्या करूं. Sometimes you think in your hearts of hearts, क्या करूं, क्या बोलूं. So in English you will say, I am blunt, B-L-U-N-T. So blunt has a meaning of straightforwardness as well. It has meaning of those things which are not sharp, blunt, and it has also the meaning of not having any idea or without any thinking or any kind of action. So you just get blank. So blank is blunt.
Can we say I am blank?
Yeah, that is also right. I am blank. I don't know what to do.
Whenever we are confused between two things, can we use I am torn between that stuff?
I am torn between. Yes, definitely. Good. Exactly. When you are unable to take one decision, straightforward decision. So I am torn up among between two things. Among is used for more things. Between is used for two things. That is between me and you, right? And if this is among all of us, so for more people we say among, and between is used for two people, right? So the next word is इसका कोई हल नहीं है या इसका कोई चारा नहीं है. नहीं है. So it can't be helped. It can't be helped. There is no solution, no remedy. It can't be helped. Right. So sometimes you are unable to understand something, so you say it's over my head. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. It was over my head. It was over my head. So for fifth one, I have to erase it. You are doing that? It was over my head. It just passed without touching my brain.
Ma'am, are these sentences formal to use and formal English? Like I
It was, yeah, these are formal. It's not informal.
We can also use I couldn't understand that.
Yeah, this is in simple English. I couldn't understand that. It was over my head. This is a bit academic. Good way to say that. It was over my head. Bonanza? No. It's a good word for academic word, bonanza. Slangs are left. Okay, I'll do it. It was? It can be both, informal and formal way. We can both in either way. You always say that. देखा मेरा अंदाज़ा सही निकला. मेरा अंदाज़ा ठीक निकला. So you say, I thought as much. I thought as much that New Zealand would never come to Pakistan. So I thought as much. Right. So the last is very important for everyone. इस बात को अपने तक रखो. And when you say that, so then the other person exactly says, okay. I will. Right. So इस बात को अपने तक रखो. So for Pakistanis it's very difficult to do. अपने तक रखना बहुत मुश्किल काम है. So it's better not to disclose anything to others. So it is safe until and unless you are having that within you. And when you say this, so it means that will spread like a fire. So keep this matter to you. Or keep this to you is also fine. Keep this matter to you.
Maybe we say that keep it as a secret.
Yeah. So then you will see the results. Keep that as a secret. Yes. Okay. So these are good Urdu sentences and we use it much. So that's there. So now we are moving towards slangs. So first slang is easy does it. Easy does it. So it means that you are telling to other person that take care. Take care, whatever you are doing, so take care. So its sentence will be like that. You are moving a glass table. So easy does it. Easy does it means take care, right? While you are dragging it or moving it further. So take care of that. Easy does it. Right. So next one is an egghead. An egghead means a person who is very intelligent or wise. Very intelligent person. So its sentence could be like that. He is really an egghead. Means he is very intelligent. He's really an egghead. Means very intelligent, very wise. He is. Okay. So next is with elbow grease. Grease. So with elbow grease basically means hard work. Hard work. So its sentence will be like that. You can succeed. You can succeed with a little elbow grease. With a little elbow grease. Right? So it means hard work. Right. So 3 are there, 2 more to come. So jot it down. It's far-fetched. Far-fetched. Far-fetched is that thing which is not, which is hard to believe, right? Unbelievable or very hard to believe. So its sentence could be like that. all his story is far-fetched. Far-fetched means hard to believe, so I can't.
Baffling.
Sorry?
Baffling.
Yeah, baffling is something,
That's shocking.
yeah, that is very shocking kind of thing. But this is, which is not true. You have doubts on that it's not believable. There is something fishy in that. Some doubt is there in that. So, all his story is far-fetched. I can't believe this. I can't believe him. Right? So, far-fetched. You can make any sentence with far-fetched. Yeah, make a sentence with far-fetched.
Our politicians' promises are often far.
Far-fetched, definitely. They always make far-fetched promises.
We see that as well.
Yeah, we have seen. Right. Okay. So, yes, last word, last slang actually, that is fender. Fender bender. So, fender bender means accident actually. Accident. So, the sentence could be like that. The traffic is slow. The traffic is slow because of fender bender. So this is slang, right? If you are writing good academic kind of article, don't write it. So, but if you are speaking with someone, you can say that there was fender bender. So you know about slang, so they are not so much academic, right? So fender bender, right? So I think so. We have done 5, right? Okay, that's wonderful. So 5 slangs we have completed, and they are very interesting one as well.